how to turn on event subscriptions notifications on Facebook like hell on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on event subscriptions notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and now here you will find events. Click on it, and if you want to turn it on just click on it here, and it's easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.